Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a quick but super useful DIY, replacing the hinge covers on the convertible roof of my BMW 420 diesel. I've tried to find any videos on YouTube about this, so I couldn't find it, so I decided to make a video and share it with all of you. If you notice those plastic cover cracking, coming loose, or just disappearing altogether, this is a fix for you. No dealership visits, no crazy tools, just a straightforward replacement that'll have your roof looking factory fresh in no time. And you're not gonna spend a lot of money. I spent about £40 on the hinges themselves, and another, I think, 10 on paint and clear coat. I made a mistake. I've used a clear coat that I had in my garage. It was about a few years old, and you're gonna see through the video I literally messed up big time because I've painted it, and I've been forced to repaint it due to my mistake. But it was fun. I've enjoyed it. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. If you're gonna enjoy it, please subscribe. That'll help me make more videos about cars, and let's crack on. So after a few days waiting for the hinges to arrive, this is the assessment. So I've assessed the damage. You can see the hinge pin on the right hand side is broken, and on the left hand side is completely missing, including the pads. Then here I've lifted the roof to check for any cracks or any weird sounds, and everything was smooth. I've checked underneath if I have something blocked on the tracks, and you can see the cover was quite good on the right hand side, but it was missing few pins. I've checked on both sides. You can't see here, I dropped the roof wrong, so I'm supposed to lift it, which I'm doing it now. Lift the roof and recheck the area for any damages. As you can see, the pin locks are, some of them are missing. They've snapped, and literally the cover is loose on one side. The other side is quite good. On the other side of the car, they are both missing, including the cover. It's completely gone. What you can see there are the springs keeping the covers in place. These are the old covers, and some of the pins are wrong, broken. This is a quick assessment to see if they are the same, and they are the same. After I've checked them, I've cleaned them thoroughly with some wet spirit, and I prepped them for the first coat of paint. They've been already treated, so all you need to do is just clean them and paint them. So this is the first coat of paint. I've done it before I've done any works on the car. You can see here the end cover of the hinge, it's stuck with the glue. So I've used the method with a piece of string to lose the mastic or the glue, and that'll help pushing the plastic hinge up, and then you can easily use a cutter or something sharp to split the mastic, and that's it, removed. Then I've used white spirit to clean all the extra mastic left with a scraper, and easily I've removed most of the mastic. Just take care, otherwise you're gonna scratch the paint. I didn't, which I'm really happy with, but that mastic needs to be completely cleaned for the new mastic to be able to stick on the paint. And I think I've done a good job because they're still in place, and yeah, it's working quite good. So clean thoroughly. My plan was to film with voice, but because of the noise outside I couldn't. So this is the second coat of paint. So between jobs I was adding paint on the new covers. Job done, and you can see they are looking quite good. This is the part where I've cleaned all the rubber joints, all the plastic trims, because the roof is up, or in the mid-air. I could literally go on all the holes and crannies and clean of any dust, debris, and making it, you know, much easy to fold. And I've used some water with soap and just a bit of vinegar to break into the dirt. So cleaned it thoroughly, and then I've used WD-40 greaser, sorry, to grease all the joints around the roof. It's quite easy to do, you can see them, it's nothing major. All you need to do, just put a bit of grease on each joint. It didn't squeak or it didn't make any wrong sounds, but you know what, I prevented it. Here I put the mastic. It's like a mastic, it's a taped mastic, which goes on the car. It's quite strong. Again, these two that I'm applying now, you don't need to apply. They are useless. Literally, you can leave the plastic with nothing on it. So after I've done this, I've removed it. It was literally useful. So this, I'm applying the corner, which is, this needs to be fixed with mastic, otherwise you'll fly away. And this is the second one, which will be fixed with the springs and some plastic connections. You can see I never done it, so I've learned how to do it with you guys. It's been a bit of a struggle, you can see, but I've succeeded. Like here, I've installed the first one and I couldn't get the second pin lock in place. I realized it's supposed to be on the other side. On the other side, turn around, but you can, after you install the first one, you can easily see. So all you need to do, just take the spring, push it in. You have like a small gap between, there are like two small fins. Between these two small fins, the spring goes between them, and then the plastic pin goes over and clicks in. It's not hard, but you need to realize how you need to do it in the first place, and then you'll fly. So here was my first attempt to install it, and this was after I've done the clear coat. So I didn't film that section. I left the covers to dry for about 6 hours, and you might see on the covers a few waves. Now here it's more obvious. This is the following day, and I was doing the other side, but I decided to install it even if I could see the paint was wrong. I was ready to check first if they are good to go, and then remove them again and repaint them. But as you can see here, I've rearranged the mastic. These sections, the small sections, you don't need to lift them again. So I've installed them, I've put them in with mastic, all good to go. Now this is the part where you can literally see how the clear coat messed up my job big time, big time. So I've removed them completely, and I've wrapped down all the clear coat and all the paint surplus and repaint them again. I'm looking like a sanding machine, but it's much better to redo the job if you're not happy with, and which I've already done. And here you can see after I've installed the second time the covers, I've checked if the roof goes down and up with no weird sounds or no cracks, no nothing. You can see I was happy, and then I lifted up and it was working like a dream. Don't mind the dust on the car. The car has been sitting for about a few weeks. You can see in these pictures, and you can see the trims are looking really good, and they're working as they're supposed to. And here is the car after I've washed it. I hope you enjoy it. If so, please subscribe, help me make more videos this kind, and if you have something particular to see or learn, let me know in the comments below, and if I have the option or the type of car, I'll try to help you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on next time. Take care.
Okay, let's go.